to this bakery to get some stuff, and I was just saying that last week I was like, man, they need a window washer, and look, he's here. You know what? I'm gonna show him my Wagtail because he could be working faster. Hey, Jimmy, how long you been cleaning windows?
About a year now.
About a year now?
Yep.
Okay.
Yep.
Yeah. Well, you change your work ethic, you'll be unstoppable. Haven't embraced the concept.
Yeah, exactly.
You know.
Those resistant to change are destined to perish, man.
I'm old school, so it took me a minute to grasp the water fed concept because, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
It goes against what I was taught.
Especially since you've been doing it for so long.
Yeah.
I came into it, and it's all you've been.
Oh, you know, for me to leave a window wet, that didn't make sense to me. Yeah, nice guy, man. He was cool. We sat there and talked for a minute. I gave him my car, so he'll be calling me. And he's going to tell his boss. See what he says. All right, stay cool. All right. Yeah, he's been doing it for a year, he says, if y'all didn't hear, but that's pretty cool, man. I like to see other window cleaners because they get, I try to show them that there's always a better way, faster, safer, you know, and he needs to be informed as well as his boss because they could be producing so much more. Now, why would I want to just give a leg up with my competition, being in competition with me? Well, you see, that's just where my mindset is. I don't look at it as I'm giving my competition a chance to compete with me as far as efficiency and having the best tools and what works for me. You know, I'm not thinking that way. I'm thinking in terms of actually helping somebody come up, you know. So I'm protected from stuff like that because I don't let stuff like that bother me. Now you can't just get rid of what somebody does, you know, if he should decide to use it as is for his own malicious good or evil, you know. But the heart and what you do in life is what matters, man. Because if you're gonna lift somebody's spirits, lift them up mentally and physically, you know, you're doing what God was intended for us to get along with each other. We gotta treat people the way we want to be treated. But I have a house I'm doing today. You know what's crazy? My storage is 4 days past due. And I told them over the weekend that I won't be able to pay till Monday. So I said, okay, let me go and get my power washer so I don't get stuck scrubbing the heck out of the framework because of the algae. He's paying extra to have me do this because I explained to him that's going to be time consuming. And if you just want the windows clean, that's fine, but I have to charge you for detailing the framework. I said, once I do it, it'll help complement your clean windows. So he agreed to have it done. And I'll probably charge him $50 to $100 if I'm going to do the whole bottom floor. But I don't know if it's just the north side. I didn't walk around the whole house. So they locked me out. They suspended my account. I can't get in the gate. So I said, crap. So I guess I gotta go old school, right? So then it got to thinking that despite what happens to us in life, it could always be much worse, right? It could always be much worse. So I got to thinking, I said, it's a good thing I had my 30-foot water-fed pole just in case I may need it. it's good that I had my ladder in the car just in case I needed it for one window in particularly. But I just may be able to get it. But none of my poles are long enough to reach that high except for my 30-foot water-fed pole, which is heavy as heck. And then I got to thinking, it's a good thing that I had my trolley sitting in the car all this time. My trolley. Can you imagine? I'm scheduling the house ready to go and I can't get in the gate until I give them some money. I gotta go make the money first. So I have the essentials to do the job. That's all that matters. So that's a positive thing out of a negative situation, because it could have been much worse. So I took it one step further. Since I couldn't go the power washing route, God puts things in front of your path that's unexplainable, but he guides you. So I was looking at just a gallon of bleach and a bucket of Dawn dish detergent. I gotta get that too when I go to Walmart. I'm getting water now. This house has about 80-something windows, so I'm getting about 15 gallons of water just in case I may need them, but I may not. But I'll have it just in case. And I was gonna go old school with a brush to scrub the frames. So then I saw house wash. You hook it right up to a hose. Comment below and let me know if any of you have ever used the house wash that you hook up to a hose. I think it was like $8. It says to let it sit on there for 30 seconds and rinse. And voila. So that may save me a whole bunch of time. I'm gonna try this product out and I'm gonna review it and I'm gonna give you my honest feedback. So I gotta stop at a Walmart and I'll see you when we get there. I have a house I'm doing today. All right, we're here. Let's jump into it.